What up guys, IceTiger here, and I'm giving you guys a short video on the unboxing of the PS5 Starlight controller, which is a color blue, which I really quite like. So I am really psyched to show this guys to you, but a little bit more of an intro because I like to kind of pad out the video as much as I can do, but not too much for you guys to kind of get bored. But if you guys want to jump ahead to the unboxing, I'm going to leave a timestamp underneath so you guys can just jump onto it and literally just see the unboxing with the music I put back into it. So I hope you guys enjoy. But beforehand, I just want to talk to you about how stoked I am, how hyped I am for this controller, and pretty much because I haven't posted up a video for a while, so I am hyped to show you guys what I've got. So let's get into it. So you guys know with the PlayStation 5's the thing, if you've got one, so you guys know with the PlayStation 5s, if you can get your hands on them, you're literally greeted with just a white PS5 with a white controller. There's no different colors at all. Roughly about, what was it, a year and a half ago, it was just a white controller. Then they released out the was it the reds, and you also got like the black controller, which is still stylish colors, but not necessarily for myself. With myself, I always have the answer, which it needs more blue. And pretty much with PlayStation, roughly about last year time, not to be precise, they brought out different shells of the PlayStation 5s as well as the controller. When you've got the Starlight, which is the blue, you got the purple, the black, the red, and also the pink shells. But they also brought out the different controllers. Now that's going to be, if I put it against my hand, I have big hands, so as you can probably tell, that is quite small in my hand, so I'm just going to hold it like this. But I tell you what, this color, absolutely love it. This is one of the controllers I was mainly looking for, opposed to I mean, I have got a Xbox controller which is blue, but I am super psyched for this because, well, it's it's PlayStation, and pretty much I've been psyched for this to get a new controller that's not necessarily the basic kind of white color. And when you do get along as of a PS5, you pretty much you're just greeted with a basic white controller, which is good. But for people that want to be a little bit more different, a little bit more diverse, a little bit more, they want their own customization, it's good to have a different color controller. With me, I am absolutely in love with the coloring, the lighting, I'm super psyched for this as well, and I'm absolutely loving it. So this is actually going to be used for my PC, for my laptop. This is going to be used for my mobile phone. This is going to be used for a diverse amount for not just my PlayStation 5. It's going to be like my second controller, but this is going to be used for my PC, my phone. You know, it's going to be used for an all-rounder because, you know, there's no answer to this. I really do like it. And they just released this out to the UK on the 14th of January, but you could pre-order it through PlayStation or select retailers to get it ordered to your house. And in my case, I actually got my hands on one of them. So now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to show you guys the video of the unboxing of the PS5 Starlight. I love the name, Starlight controller. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and here we go, have fun. And there you have it, the PS5 Starlight. I'm going to say this again, Starlight blue controller, and it is absolutely gorgeous here in person, guys. I am absolute in love with this controller. But hope you guys are able to get to check out your own Starlight controller, or if you've got a different color controller, if you've got a red, a pink, a blue, or white one, do comment in the section below. And I do love hearing you guys' comments. If you like, and also subscribe, because it helps the channel out to hit to that next milestone. Be much appreciated, as well as you guys get to check out some new videos that are coming to this channel, including series which is going to be around Monster Hunter. We are going to be doing a few videos on Monster Hunter as well, so guys, keep your eyes out for them kind of videos, as well as YouTube shorts and game reviews. So if you guys like the channel and what we provide, please do comment, like, and subscribe. I think I like to hear you guys' feedback. And also, without further ado, I'm actually going to jump over to my PS5 and break in this bad boy. So I will see you guys later. Have fun, and there we go. Away. I wonder if should I do at the end? No, that's, hang on, because the blue is better. The blue, hang on, put the arm in. The blue is better. The white is amazing, but that's been there for a while. So blue is like that. There you go. Starlight. Love the name. Starlight. Yeah.